Hi guys and welcome to my channel. You might know Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande has just uploaded a new music video and I have been obsessed with the makeup looks that they have. Today I'm going to recreate two looks, just the one with the white because I really think that they look stunning. Let's just jump right into the video. I have already applied my foundation and I'm just gonna start off with contouring. So what I think they use for her eyes is a liquid white eyeliner. However, I don't have that. So I'm going to try to recreate it using concealer and some white eyeshadow. I'm going to use this concealer by Wet n Wild. It is the lightest shade, I think. In my country they don't get any lighter than that. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and I'm going to use a very small brush. I'm going to use a nude lipstick and kind of overlay my lips. And I'm using a brown shade to contour my lips. So I think I'm done from the look. I honestly thought this was going to be easier to do. Okay, so I kind of erased what I did before and now I'm going in with some brown eyeshadow. I'm applying some brown under my eyes. Her lips are a bit darker, so I'm going to use a flat, like, round brush. It's like this is the final look. Ignore my hair. I try to recreate her hair how it is, but it's just no. If you want other tutorials about the other looks that they have in the video, tell me down in the comments below and I will try to recreate them as well. Thank you for watching. I do hope that you did enjoy this video. If you have any advice or anything, leave it down below because I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Bye bye.